Let's draw this crank here in front of us. So if you can see here, the dimensions are in millimeters. Okay, so we're not gonna waste much time. We're gonna come here. We're gonna go new there. Okay, we go metric, standard, millimeter, and then we go create. So once we're here, we're gonna go there on new sketch. Okay, so we're gonna start with the circles. So we have our first circle. Okay, we have our second one, right? Then we have our third one. Okay, let's go for the fourth one as well. So between these two, the dimension between these two, from there to there, need to be 150. So 150. Then we say enter. And then this one here need to be 120. So 120, enter. The one inside need to be 64. Okay, 64 millimeter diameter. Go there. And this one here need to be 80, right? So 80. Okay, the one inside need to be 30. So to M30. Okay. Enter. So once we have that, we're gonna go for this spot here. You see that? We're gonna go for these. So we're gonna come back here, and then we draw this one here. From there to there, we go again from there to there again, from here to here, from there to there. So those ones, okay, so that need to be parallel to this one. Definitely this one is parallel to that one, as you're gonna see what's gonna happen there. Cancel. And then from here, okay, to there, that one there needs to be 80. So 80. And this one here to this one needs to be 40. Enter. Okay, then that one there to that one need to be 60. Right now, this one to that one, okay, need to be 12. So that need to be 12. Okay, that one to that one need to be 12 as well. 12. Enter. So once we have that, what we'll do is we need to draw our keyway. You see the keyway there? So we're gonna come back here. We're gonna go for a rectangle, and then our keyway need to be there. Okay, and this one here, according to the dimensions here, if you can come back here, according to the dimensions there, need to be, okay, so it's 20. Okay, that need to be 20, and from there to there that need to be 8, as you can see there, 28 there. So when we come back here, we're gonna give the dimensions from there to there, that needs to be 20. Okay, and from here to there, that need to be 10. 10. Enter. And now from there to there, that need to be 40. Is it 40? What's it? Because we have 64 divided by 232 plus 8, so 40. So 40. Great. Okay, so now we're going to trim what we don't need. So we don't need that part, we don't need this, we don't need that. Okay, we don't need those. And then we're gonna go in 3D model. Once we're there, we're going to start with this part. This one here need to be extruded by 48 millimeters. So 48. Enter. We come here, we say sketch visibility on. Where is it? Visibility on. And the 3D model again, we need to extrude this part. So these two here need to be extruded by what? How much is it? 85. So 85, 85. Come back there. 85. Okay. We say enter. The last part we need to extrude. That's not the last one. We need to extrude this part here. So that needs to be extruded by 25. So 25. Okay, enter. Now what we need now is this part here. That part there. By 85. 85. Enter. After that, we're gonna come back here. We come here. We need this transfer to be there, so we're gonna come back there, and then we say we're gonna choose this one. Okay. So we click there. 37 down from there, from here to there. 37, 3, 7. Okay, that's correct. No, I'm choosing the wrong one, so that's one need to be 60. From here to there, 60. Good. And this one need to be 37. 3, 7. From there to there. Great. So we have it there. We say okay. Okay. So we come here as well. We do the same. 60, 37. Okay. Then we can see that part there, so that needs to be straight. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go extrude again. That one there needs to be extruded by 85. Now this way. That's what happened. So okay, and then we say okay. And then we're gonna come back inside here. Let's remove the visibility off. Once we're here, we're gonna create the radius there. So radius there. Let's put it there as well. There. We again here. Don't worry about that. It's gonna be okay soon. And then there. A radius of 12 millimeters. That's okay. There we go. Okay, right? What we're gonna do now is we're gonna choose the material. So we're gonna go for let's go for cast iron. We come here. That's one day. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Do so that you don't miss any video posted on this channel. So I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself and see you on the next video. Bye.